Moissanite, the world's most brilliant gemstone. Have you ever heard of moissanite? You might not be familiar with this gemstone, but it is gradually becoming well known due to its exceptional quality and likeness to diamonds, as well as the fact that it is significantly less expensive than diamonds. There is no doubt that diamonds are the conventional material of choice for upscale jewelry. They have been present for millennia and have long been associated with elegance and enduring love. However, despite diamonds' fame and high price, moissanite is thought to be the most brilliant gem, outshining other gemstones. Moissanite is unique because it reflects more light than diamonds. In addition, moissanite is a great substitute for diamonds because of its strength and endurance. It is immune to breaking, scratching, and chipping. Compared to a diamond, it retains its brilliance longer between cleanings and is less likely to draw dust. However, what is moissanite and where does it originate? French chemist Henri Moissanite, who later won the Chemistry Nobel Prize, made the initial discovery of moissanite in 1893. He discovered tiny pieces of the gem that would later carry his name in Arizona, in a crater caused by a meteorite that struck Earth. Though he later discovered the crystals were actually silicon carbide, he had initially thought he had discovered diamonds. Because of its rarity, moissanite had to be developed in a lab so that people could use it in exquisite jewelry. The found particles by Moissanite were successfully synthesized to create one of the most brilliant diamonds in the world, after years of trial and error. Despite having many similarities to diamonds, moissanite is much more cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Did you know that high-end jewelry benefits from the use of moissanite because it is more heat-resistant than many other gems? The ability to be cast in position gives moissanite jewelry its first edge, allowing jewelers to produce avant-garde, properly sized creations. Moissanite jewelry is also less vulnerable to heat damage when getting repaired. It is also resistant to the intense heat produced by common house fires. Did you know that the second hardest gemstone in the world, after diamonds, is moissanite? That is why they are suitable for daily wear because they are rated 9.25 on the Mohs scale. Additionally, they are harder than rubies, sapphires, and emeralds. Moissanite is also less dense than a diamond, which means it will weigh less than a diamond of the same size. You might think that the most brilliant jewel in the world would also be the most expensive. Thankfully, it isn't. Moissanite jewelry costs less than diamond jewelry. In comparison to the investment you've made, wearing moissanite will bring you a lifetime of delight. Expect its worth to rise over time as well. That is definitely a great value. The brilliance, fire, and luster of moissanite will never fade with time. The eternal beauty and brilliance of moissanite make it one of the most sought gems in the world. But why should you pick a moissanite gemstone above diamonds or any other stone? It is uncommon to find moissanite gemstones with faults because moissanite is created. Therefore, only those with a high level of clarity are available for sale to the general public. Moissanite also boasts a higher degree of brilliance and a greater refractive index, so if you're looking for a gemstone that sparkles even more, moissanite is a fantastic choice. Most importantly, it's more affordable while maintaining high quality. So, if you're looking for a gift or treating yourself, MySoulmateNecklace.com is a wonderful choice and it offers some lovely selections. A moissanite necklace will undoubtedly add a touch of glamour to your outfit by adding some sparkle, and you can give one to your loved ones as a gesture of your love. Find the best moissanite jewelry for you. Our selection of exquisite necklaces, which you may pass down through the generations, is a wonderful treat at a reasonable cost. MySoulmateNecklace.com sells jewelry of the highest quality and most exquisite design, providing a luxurious treat at an affordable price.